Hi, Mama Russell here. Today we're going to make something super simple. You may have heard this as puppy chow, muddy buddies. I'm going to call them Bruin bites because my students have been asking me to make a video, and so this is a shout out to them. Super easy. We're going to start with a microwavable bowl, 3/4 cup peanut butter, creamy, 1/4 cup butter, 1 bag of chocolate chips, semi-sweet, pour it in there. Microwave for 30 seconds and then stir, and then microwave for 30 seconds again and stir. So I melted it for a minute. Stir, it should be creamy. You're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir that in. And then before I started this, I got 9 cups of a combination of rice Chex and corn Chex. You can use Crispx, any kind of weaved cereal. I like rice Chex, but I used what I had in my cupboard, so it's a combination. So we have it that looks like this. And now you're going to just pour this over the top. Okay, and then I take this and I'm gonna sprinkle in some powdered sugar. I'm gonna do half at a time. Put my lid on. Take the lid off. Add the other half, put the lid on. Okay, oops. All right, and then you're just gonna kind of stir through here, make sure the powdered sugar on the bottom. So I'm just doing this. This is probably where the bag would be a little bit better. And if you want, before you do the powdered sugar, you can let the chocolate cool a little bit so it doesn't melt some of the sugar, because the heat will actually melt the powdered sugar. Okay. And you just keep doing this until everything is coated. Out, and then we sprinkle this out. And then you spread it out so it can cool. Breaking the bigger clumps up. It's okay to have a few of, like, that's okay, but if you get bigger clumps, you want to break them apart. So here we go. You'll let it cool, and then you'll just put it in an airtight container. It'll stay for about 2 weeks in an airtight container. And so here you have it, puppy chow, muddy buddies, or what we're calling them tonight, Bruin bites. Again, another shout out to my students. Hope you enjoyed this video.